See, that kind of person definitely exists out there, for sure. I'm from Mumbai. Rather, it must be happening in any city. The underbelly is definitely there.
Yeah.
And I feel if she's portraying a beautiful character out there, and I'm supposed to be owning the girls who are into being a sex worker.
Yeah.
I definitely respect them a lot, and I feel the way some of them are got into the into this kind of work. Some are willing, and some have been trapped. It's sad. It's really sad. It is like you're in a little cage out there. I mean, I did the role for sure because, well, someone has to be that kind of brutal and take it as a business and don't feel the emotion and the pain that they go through. You know what I mean? Absolutely. It's like a dead soul. So that kind of feel, that role for me, it's like a man who has no soul, except maybe for his son, who's being played by Sikandar, a boy who's absolutely hot-headed and totally wild. Is like a wild horse out there. So I feel it's a very kind of business hai, bola dhanda hai, ganda hai. Very cruel kind of heart. To do something like that and trap the girls or buy the girls off or keep them in a business, which is what she's portraying. Yeah.
Did a lot of research about the world. So I'm playing Seher, like you mentioned. And we had a lot of readings with my director, Ravi Jadhav sir. And बहुत हमने उस पर बातचीत करी क्योंकि मेरे लिए ये समझना थोड़ा ज़रूरी था. इस किरदार को लगता है कि मतलब वो किरदार चाहता है. She wants to make it big in this work. Why? What is the backstory? That उसके लिए आपको देखना पड़ेगा शो. लेकिन वो समझना कि वो चाह कहाँ से आती है उसके लिए मैंने और रवि सर ने बहुत बातचीत करी थी. हम लोग ऑन फील्ड भी गए थे. हमने जो रेड लाइट एरियाज हैं कमाठीपुरा हम गए थे. देखा जस्ट टू गेट वहाँ की. आप विजुअली बहुत कुछ देखते हैं जो आपके दिमाग में रजिस्टर होता है. कुछ करता है आपको कुछ महसूस होता है उससे. सो या दैट वाज अ बिट वी डिड बट अ लॉट ऑफ इट आल्सो हैपेंड ऑन सेट व्हेन यू वेयर द कॉस्ट्यूम. When you are in that area, when you on the location with characters around who give you energy, वो सबसे बहुत मजा आया. मतलब मेरा तो पहला ऐसा अनुभव था. बहुत ही enriching.
Sometimes it really depends on one character I played where I had to really find conviction. I always find something soft in somebody. That's how it helps me to play. I mean, no matter what the person is, there's a reason behind what his actions are. I feel I try to find that conviction to be able to play it. I have to make it believable for myself. I'm not doing this for the camera. I'm not doing it for anybody. I have to make it believable to me. Who the person is, why he's saying this stuff. Unless it's just completely a black shade altogether, which I've had an experience with once where I just had to fake it. But that's what I do most of the time. It doesn't, nothing comes naturally. I've played a brother, which is a lovable brother in a film. I mean, and I don't have any siblings. So I think that was something. I think every character that you play has its own set of challenges. And no one person is the same. I think सब अलग ही है इसमें. और जैसे आप मोनिका की बात कर रहे थे, इज नॉट रियली ग्रे. उसको तो बेचारे उसके बाप ने भी ठुकरा दिया उसे. यहाँ पे भी उसको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है. तो इनफैक्ट योर हार्ट रियली गोज आउट टू दैट गाय. एटलीस्ट दैट्स हाउ आई सी.
बिकॉज एक दिन में 2 पिक्चर करने का, कभी 3 पिक्चर करने का, तो कभी अनिल बाबा के साथ में राम लखन में कभी मार दिया उसको, कभी डॉगी के साथ में बैठ के तेरी मेहरबानियां में, कभी सांप को फ्लूट बजा रहा हूँ. तो एक दिन में ये 3 करने का. कभी गोरिया रे गोरिया. तो यू नो व्हाट आई मीन. I was not prepping anything. They had to prep. The technicians have to prep. I'll go as a blank. Use me. पागल हो गया कि एक दिन में 3 पिक्चर 3 कैरेक्टर के बारे में सोचेंगे तो पागल कैसा दिमाग चलेगा रे.
ट्रू. So
So-
it came from the writers
So
and
it
the
is, it's
directors. maybe.
basically how your technicians handle you.
Mhm.
क्योंकि एक दिन में 3 पिक्चर करने वाले लोग हैं हम लोग, 2 पिक्चर करने वाले, तो उसके अंदर क्या हो जाता है कि यू जस्ट गो,
Mhm.
कपड़ा चेंज, कभी कभी इंस्पेक्टर का रोल है तो पैंट सेम ही रहता था,
Mhm.
शर्ट भी, खाली बिल्ला बदलते थे.
Okay.
Because I played a lot of police officers
Yeah,
role.
yeah.
Just
You
go and float.
You said this.
हाँ.
You said this. इतनी सारी फिल्में कर रहे थे. मैं और विमान बात कर रहे थे इसके बारे में.
हाँ,
आपने क्या बोला?
विमान.
इधर ये, उधर वो, कभी कभी ये. Something funny you said it. I didn't. He knows it by heart.
But I will talk to him later. I want to know.
Yeah.
But that's a fact. 3 films a day. So you don't.
एक सेट पे.
हाँ.
हाँ. हाँ.
एक दूसरा तीसरा.
Mhm.
एक दिन.
Films in a
तो
day.
मैकेनिकल था, बस सब में फीलिंग थी. जज्बा तो मरा नहीं. जज्बा
हम्म।
कहाँ जाएगा? परिंदा में आप जब मैं अनिल बाबा के साथ बात करता हूँ तो
Yes.
पूरा जज्बा वो है. जब जूही जी को रोमांस कर रहा हूँ गोरियारे में तो वो है.
Yeah, yeah.
जब सांप मेरा भाई, मैं उसमें बिलीव कर रहा हूँ कि हाँ
हम्म।
सांप मेरा भाई है.
हम्म.
तो कुत्ता जो मैं पाला वो मेरा है.
Mhm.
तो मैं वो तो वहां जाके फिर मैं खोल
You
हो जाता
surrendered
हूँ ना,
yourself.
मैं खोल देता हूँ अपने ले व्हाइट कलर पेंट कर.
They are such मतलब they are legends, but they are they're such true to their work. मतलब सर तो इतने encouraging हैं. वही मैं कह रही थी कि I mean you meet Jackie sir and he makes you feel कि वो आपके अपने ही हैं.
Mhm.
लगता नहीं है कि आप पहली दफा उनसे मिल रहे हैं. He's so warm and I mean he was very supportive, very encouraging. Even Sikandar sir,
Mhm.
like even Sikandar was very encouraging,
Mhm.
very supportive, always cheering me, always giving me confidence, making me feel कि like he would say वीडू बहुत अच्छा कर रही है.
Mhm.
I mean you know how he
Yeah.
it's wonderful. I'm just very grateful यार.
Okay.
ऐसे supporting actors हो तो फिर you don't get overwhelmed. You can just
True.
do your job
Mhm.
really well.
Yeah, yeah.
और भी कुछ अच्छा ही सीखने को मिलता है. So I'm very happy about it.